So Vishnu came to him as Rama and Sita Mata to make him understand the true essence of life. So that is what we see from this discourse today. What is the essence of life? From nonsense to essence. Who is going to convert from nonsense to essence? You, all of you. You should now understand you are nothing but some sense, not nonsense. You all have some sense, some capability, some ability to convert from nonsense to essence. Don't forget that. You have talents. So many things you can from nonsense to essence. Today, on this day, I am highlighting to you what is nonsense. Now you have understood what is nonsense. Now I am trying to highlight to you what is the essence of life. From this Devi Mahatmya, in this way, I am able to explain to you and hope you will understand the grace of Devi in these small stories, which is a fact of how the life existed from that Treta Yuga to Satya Yuga, and from Satya Yuga and Treta Yuga we have come now to Kali Yuga. Even in Kali Yuga, one flower given with that kind of Sankalpa Shakti, it will convert itself into Parabhakti. And when you convert that into Parabhakti, all your prayers and all your Uddesha, all your outlook of life will change. Then it becomes Sankalpa Shakti. So with that Sankalpa Shakti, you just give a flower at the lotus feet of Mother, then automatically all your Sankalpa Shakti will be fulfilled. That is the essence of life. Because rather by telling you certain very salient points are here every day. And I would always, Mother told me that you better write it so that it will remain in writing for all of you. So whenever you go back and read all the previous satsangs, all those important points, you can, after this satsang, you can go back and relive that energy in your consciousness so that your consciousness becomes alive. Today, your consciousness is not alive because of your senses, because of so many things. Your mind was operating on the lower mind level. Now, you will now start operating in the higher mind level. So, in the higher mind level, the Sankalpa becomes great, and the Sankalpa becomes great in the method of Parabhakti. That is why that was kind of a Sankalpa I took today, because for you to register it in your brains, it is better to discourse in writing along with discoursing it in words. Words adre ella chanagide. That is why most of you say, when somebody asks you, including me, how was today's satsang, you will say, very nice. Other than that, you don't know. ಎಲ್ಲ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿತ್ತು ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಅನ್ನೋದು ಗೊತ್ತಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿ ಅಲ್ಲ. ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿತ್ತು. ಏನು ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿತ್ತು? Are you able to tell the points? My experience from the past so many years, 20 years and above, 1 or 2 or maximum 4 or 5, that's all. You are not able to reproduce. I tried in so many ways. Unless and until I use a board with writing on it at least the next day or in the next best day, when you go through the notes, what you have written down, then at least you are able to process this as an information, because this information is nothing but a divine transmission. What I am telling today is a divine transmission, and what you are writing today is a divine transmission of divine energy from me to you. And who is between you and me, and between you and me to you, is only the divine force called as Mahakali, Mahalakshmi and Mahasaraswati, all together, put together as Adi Para Shakti, the perennial source of energy. That is why in this Navaratri, I have decided, Mother told me, please improve their mental status by making them to register it in writing from your own handwriting. In my handwriting, you may not understand, but in your own handwriting, it will get into your psyche. Here, when you write, when you hear what I am talking, then your own psyche will also give you that sound and that light. So all the tanmatras of sound, energy, light, all your subtle senses will be activated by the tanmatras, the subtle essence of this. So as we go back into the next point, Devi says, when you are disgusted with yourself by your selfish thinking, feeling, craving or behavior, Devi says, note down very carefully. Devi says, when you are disgusting, nimmele nimige asayadaga. In Kannada, when you are disgusted with yourself by your own selfish thinking, feeling, craving, chapala, or behavior, chant this most powerful seed syllable that I am going, Mother says, that which I am going to give you now. This is the seed syllable of Bija Mantra of your Swadhisthana Chakra. So, whenever you chant the Bija Mantra of your own Swadhisthana Chakra, in your Swadhisthana Chakra, I am there. Now you will be wondering, where is and why is Mother stationed in the Swadhisthana Chakra? Why is she not stationed in my soul? Your lower mind says so. What does the higher mind says? Your higher mind says, I am there in each and every atom of your body, because it is this atom of the body which constitutes the whole of your consciousness, like what I have constituted Lord Brahma, Lord Vishnu and the Lord Shiva. So I have consecrated myself as Lord Brahma in the part of intelligence. I am there in the part of Chaitanya as compassion, and then I am there in the part of Shiva as creating a dynamic energy by removing all the friction in your soul. So in your Swadhisthana chakra, whenever you chant it, I will ask, remember here, so whenever you chant it, the Swadhisthana chakra bija mantra, so the Divine Mother will say to to Vishnu, and she will ask Lord Vishnu to go and let go to go inside us, to letting go his Sudarshana chakra, the chakra that focuses our gaze, our intellect, making it more sharper, and on our own divine core. This chakra, the Sudarshana chakra, will go and remove all the Arishad Vairyas and also help us to take our lower mind, our intellect, everything operating in the lower mind of selfishness, of ego, and all this, and go on to our divine core, and this will cut. Remember, this chakra, the Sudarshana chakra, which is there in Vishnu's hand, she will ask Vishnu to go and cut off all that excesses inside our Swadhisthana. Have you ever listened to this kind of jnana? Has anybody given you the jnana where you are powerful with your sankalpa shakti?
For more satsangs from Sri Sri Nimishananda Guruji, subscribe to this channel. Click the bell button below to get notifications. Like and share the video and spread the divine message.